Hey there, it's Paula. I wanted to share with you today the brand new starter kit we have for the month of January with Perfectly Posh because it's really exciting and there's a lot of goodness in there that I'd love to share with you. So here's a little flyer with the details on it, and basically what you're getting is 3 bags. So there's 3 of these cute little bags. They're pink and adorable, and the first one is Pampering products for you. Because, you know, let's face it, it's it was the holidays. Some of them were rough for some of us. 2017 was rough for some of us more than others. And as my shirt says, bless your heart, you just need more pampering. Because whether it's a 5-minute face mask or soaking in a tub with a bath bomb or taking 2 minutes in the shower to use a body scrub, sometimes that little bit of pampering, it can make or break your whole day or even your whole week, depending on how things are going. So, you know, this is our mission. Pampering is our mission with Posh. And so when you join, you get a bag of pampering just for you. And that includes a healer stick. Everybody needs a healer stick, folks. It's a shea butter stick that helps heal up the little nicks and cuts you get on your hands all the time, ragged cuticles, little minor burns. Everybody needs a healer stick. So that's in there. There's a chunk soap that's Feel Better Soon, which is our wonderful chunk soaps are so big and long lasting, and this one has lavender in it, so it's really relaxing and nice. There's a Social Butterfly Big Fat Yummy Hand Cream. It's winter. We need hand cream. We need hand cream big time. You go from that cold, wet air outside to the hot, dry air inside, and your hands just shrivel up like something in The Wizard of Oz. It's rough. So you need Big Fat Yummy Hand Cream. There's cheat sheets. They're these brand new, I haven't tried them yet, but they're little cucumber under eye sheets to help with dark circles and puffiness and just make your eyes just go, oh, it feels so good. So I can't wait to try those myself. Then there's also the Ritual, which is our consultant-only pink face mask. It is detox, it's moisturizing, it's clarifying, it's just for Posh consultants, and it's terrific mask. That's serious pampering. And then you also get one fizzy bath bomb that's lavender. Fizzies are so wonderful. They're the best bath bombs. They are full of minerals from the Great Salt Lake, so it's super high in magnesium, and it's great for sore muscles. It's very relaxing, and so it's really nice that for the first time they're including one to try out. So, you know, you're a consultant, you should know what these fizzies, what the fizzy experience is like. So that's terrific they've included that. Then you get the next bag, and it has samples in it. So a bunch of different samples. You get pineapple pick-me-up face mask samples, gel yes, gel to water moisturizer. It's a face moisturizer I haven't tried yet. I'm really looking forward to that one. So there's samples of that. That's Ain't That the Youth hand cream samples. This is my favorite of our hand creams right now, actually. It's unscented, which, you know, sometimes I don't want scent on my hands when like I'm eating and stuff. So it's also really anti-aging, so it's terrific. It's a great hand cream. So there's samples in there. And then you get some samples of some Satsuma Big Fat Yummy hand cream, which was one of our most popular products ever. It retired a couple years ago, but now it's back in this new core catalog that we just launched because there was such a clamor for it to come back. So there's going to be a lot of people that are going to want to sample that one from you. And then the last big bag is products for your business. So this is up to you. You know, how you run your business is totally up to you. So you can either take these full-size products, the ones in the Pampering for You bag are full-size as well. You can take these products and you can either use them to build your business by sampling them out, or you can sell them and to recoup the cost of what you paid for your kit. So it's totally up to you. And in that, you're getting a sleepy stick, a skin stick, which is full of lavender, a Flower Child youth promoting skin stick, which is full of all sorts of wonderful essential oils, a BFF exfoliating face wash, which in my book is still the best face wash ever. Although Posh has put out a few other ones that have given BFF a run for its money. There's that Ain't That the Youth hand cream that I was just talking about. A Gender Bender charcoal chunk soap. It's super popular. It's very detoxifying. It's much loved by men and women and boys and girls and and people of all types. There's a Healer Snarky Bar. Oh my goodness, this is brand new. If you love Healer and you love our Snarky bars, this is gonna flip your lid. I can't wait to try this myself because I love Healer and I'm a very committed Snarky Bar user. It's great on heels, upper arms. Get the perspirate or the antiperspirant residue off the off your underarms. Snarkies are the best exfoliating bars. There's also a Fresh Creamy Milk body butter, which is our richest, thickest, most moisturizing body butter. It's so thick, I love to hang the container upside down to show that it doesn't go anywhere because it's so rich and thick. So super moisturizing for our sad, dry, itchy winter skin. Perfect. So those are the main products you get. You also get a bonus. This only shows one in my picture. It didn't print the other half of this, but you get 2 bonus products in the kit this month. A sleep on it overnight face mask. Incredibly super moisturizing overnight face mask. And also not pictured is it's called Jam Packed. It's another body butter. It's full of antioxidant fruit extracts and also palm oil and shea butter. Super moisturizing, and it's supposed to smell just like heavenly berries. So I can't wait to smell that one. So just those 2 extra products in this kit are a $41 value itself. So you're getting all of this stuff plus tools, plus a lot of resources for $99. And you know what? We also have our QuickStart program, which can enable you to make your kit free. So if you fulfill your 30-day QuickStart goals, which message me if you're interested in finding out what those are, $50 cash money. They give you back $50 cash money for fulfilling those 30-day goals. Then if you go ahead and continue rocking your business and make your 60-day QuickStart goals, that's another $50 cash money back to you. So $50, $50. $100 cash money will pay for your kit. So you will have gotten all this fabulousness. It's like $200 worth of product with the bonuses, plus all the resources, and that you can make that into free. So that is our deal for January. I mean, this was so exciting that I usually don't do a video for the kit for the month, but this month was so amazing and fabulous that I had to. Also, it's January. Basically, you are getting the whole first 6 months of this year as a free period with regard to selling requirements. You don't have to sell a cent. I would like you to, and it would be great for you, and it would be advantageous for you as well. But you don't have to sell a thing till June 30th, and you still remain an active consultant. You don't have to. The clock doesn't start running on your requirements till July 1st this year. So whether you're just looking to get some Posh at a discount for yourself because you're going to buy Posh anyway, or you're looking to just kind of share with family and friends and make a little extra money, maybe help pay for the holidays, or if you're wanting to really launch a business that is sky's the limit. I will be with you every step of the way. I will be happy to help every step of the way, and we can work together to make it something great for you. So if you have any questions, please put it down in the comments. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.